So you're considering running Pinterest ads, but are you really ready for them? So I'm going to tell you 3 of the 7 ways that I help my potential clients determine if they are ready for Pinterest ads. Before we get into it, I'm Presh Rogers and I help online entrepreneurs like yourself drive more people and profit to their business using Pinterest ads. So one of the first things that you want to make sure of is that you have a business account on Pinterest. It's one of the first things that you want to make sure of, and some people actually skip this step and try to go right into doing ads, and you actually need a business account to do that. The next thing is you want to ask yourself, do you have a proven product or funnel? This is because if you're running ads for the first time, or you're coming to Pinterest, you want to make sure that you know that your product converts. You know that your funnel converts. If you don't know this stuff, then you are going to be testing it out with your ads. You're going to be putting money behind your ads in order to test out your funnels and your products, because you're not sure if they will or will not convert. And then the last thing I want to tell you is asking yourself, are you ready to make the investment? Because running ads is not something that is cheap to do. You want to make sure that you have the funds and the budget to actually run Pinterest ads. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. But if you want to know all the questions I have my clients ask themselves before we actually start working on their Pinterest ads, make sure you get my Are You Ready for Pinterest Ads guide. It's a free guide. It's linked in my bio, or you can comment the word below and I will send it to you.